Got braces? Good thing it's Dental Hygiene Wednesday. Hi, I'm Christina. I'm the lead hygienist here at Dublin Dental Care, and I want to welcome you to our Dental Hygiene Wednesdays. Every week we like to cover different topics or products that we use or believe in here in our office and feel are important for our patients and our viewers to know about. Last week we discussed the topic of pacifiers, what to do with them, when to give them up, all that fun stuff. If you missed that video, feel free to go check it out. It is on our Facebook page and also our YouTube page, as well as all of our previous videos. This week we are talking about something that a good amount of people are having to go through, whether it be when you're younger or older, and that is braces. Unfortunately, as soon as those braces go on, the ability to keep your mouth nice and clean is a lot harder to achieve because you now have wires and the brackets on those teeth, and those collect all kinds of plaque and bacteria and food. And so we thought we'd give you some tips on how to keep your mouth nice and clean and healthy when having braces. Obviously, number one, an electric toothbrush is going to be your best bet when it comes to a toothbrush. It just moves a lot quicker. It can kind of flick that food out of there and out from under the brackets and the wires. So always recommend an electric toothbrush, period, but especially if you have braces, because you just need that little extra bit of help to make sure you're getting everything out of there. As far as flossing goes, you now have these wires that are blocking the space in between the teeth, and that can cause issues because you can't just floss regular anymore. It makes it a lot more difficult. So these are called platypus flossers. They are a lifesaver if you have braces. Before, you'd have to use those floss threaders and do individual teeth every single time. It's a lot harder, and people tended to not end up doing that, which we don't want to happen, because we would hate for you to get your braces off and then have all these cavities in between the teeth because flossing was avoided. So these floss threaders are great because they have a thinner end, and this little thin end will fit in between the wire and your tooth so that you can floss like a regular flosser, but still be able to fit it in there so you're getting all those spaces. Now sometimes in the front it's a little harder because they're closer together, so you might still have to use a floss threader to get in those tighter spaces, but these are great in the back spaces, even on the top front teeth. It also has a little end that has little plastic sticking off. These are great to clean around the brackets, move it around the bracket of the outside to help kind of get food out of there, pull it out to keep everything nice and clean. So I always recommend platypus flossers anytime I have a patient in the chair. Another thing I always recommend is a water pick. This is nice. Excellent tool for people who have braces. You fill this tank up with water and it comes out of the end, but the best part about this is it has a tip just for braces. This goes around the bracket and kind of flushes the brackets out. You can use these bristles to clean around the edges. You can run the wire across the wire to help clean everything out and still clean around the gum line. So you're flushing all that food out. You're really rinsing everything nice and evenly, so you're hopefully not getting any food or any plaque that sticks and stays behind. So I really think that if you use all these tips that I've given you today, that you will have a healthier mouth with your braces, and it won't be as difficult for you to keep everything nice and clean. And when you come in, less work and less time in the chair for us to have to clean those braces for you, because you'll have been doing an excellent job at home. So hopefully you guys can take these tips that I've just given you and put them to use if you have braces. And when you come in, we'll be able to tell you everything looks great. I want to thank you for joining us as always. Every week we love having our patients and viewers check out our videos and like and even leave comments for us. Always enjoy seeing those comments. If you have any questions for me personally, feel free to email me. My email is christina@dublindentalcareohio.com. And you can even check out our website. It's dublindentalcareohio.com, where you can schedule an appointment to come in and see us, and we can give you tips in person if that would be easier. We hope you guys are enjoying the little bit of summer that's left, and we look forward to seeing you again next week. Thank you.